Hi everyone, and welcome to another tutorial. Today we're having a closer look at my Hyperchorus patcher. Hyperchorus allows you to transform and add character to any input signal. Here's some examples of how it sounds on drums. On vocals. Or on a riser. Let's go over the parameters. Hyperchorus will modulate the delay time and thus its character between the value of the time 1 and time 2 parameter. Feedback determines how much of the effect's output is fed back into the input. More feedback will make the effect longer and more sustained. High pass removes the sub or lowest frequencies of the signal. Great to keep your bottom clean. Speed will set the speed at which the Hyperchorus modulates between the time 1 and time 2 parameter. Sync will restrict the speed to multiples of the BPM the project is set to. Mod type switches the modulation shape between a sine and a saw wave. This is rather subtle. Mono input does what it says. It makes the input signal mono, which results in a more narrow output signal. The noise parameter adds white noise to the effect. This works great to fill out the high frequencies of warmer signals. Mix blends the signal between the dry unprocessed signal on the left and the wet processed signal on the right. I hope you enjoy the Hyperchorus, and please let me know if you have any questions. Also, if you have any videos of you using it, definitely tag me on Instagram. I would love to reshare it. Grab your copy at electric.com and follow me for more plugins.